Good morning. Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am. I don't know
Just
where are the
a
others.
couple of minutes for everybody to join and then I'll start my class.
Okay, ma'am. Till then, I will get my notebook.
Yes, please do. Good morning. Please put your cameras on.
Ma'am, I can't start to talk.
Yes?
Can I keep my video off for today?
Okay, no problem. Anybody who has problem, it's okay. Okay. Otherwise, I want everybody to put it on. Did we finish these problems? Yes, Sayan? Did we do these problems, Sayan? Yes?
Ma'am, we didn't do this.
Yeah. Are you sure?
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay. Now I want you all to make these 5 analog clocks in your notebook quickly, and then you're going to mark their hands according to the numbers I give you.
Ma'am, can I do it in my textbook?
Yeah, you can do it in your textbook. People who are using their textbook, they have physical textbook, then they can do it in the physical textbook. If you don't have the physical textbook, then please do it in your notebook. I want you all to make these 4 dials. Okay. And you are going to mark the hands according to the time I give you here. And then you will also write its digital time. After you are done drawing the dials and their hands according to the time that I have written down, I want you all to show it to me on the screen. You need to do your work, complete your work, take your name so that I look into your window and you can show me your work on the camera. Sad, Hamdan, Aisha, Sarah, Sayan, put your cameras on. Shanks, you also. Hafza Khan, Sarah, Hamdan, Aisha Aga.
Ma'am, what does digital time mean?
Digital time means how it is written in a 24-hour clock in hours,
Okay.
right? You have to convert. Sarah, are you done, beta?
Ma'am, we have to make all 4.
Yeah, all 4. Sarah, you're done, beta?
No, wait.
Then why you sitting idle if you're not done?
Wait. I'm taking.
The first one is 1845, right?
Yes, Zuveria?
The first one is 1845, right?
The first one is 6:45.
No, but then if you convert it into
It is
a
AM.
24.
It is AM. AMs are not converted.
Oh.
What is converted?
Okay.
PM is converted, right?
Yeah, sorry.
So it is going to be 6:45 hours.
Yeah.
0645 hours. Everybody is done with the first one.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, when I say 6:45, that means it is going to be between the 6 and the 7 o'clock. And 45 means it is closer to 7. Am I right? So I'm supposed to make a line like this. This is my R hand. 45, I have to say the table of 5. 5 nines are 45. So my minute hand is going to be on 9. And this is how I will show 6:45. And when I write it in the digital time, I will write it 06. When I write it in digital time, do I need to write AM, PM, anything like that?
No.
No. Is the first one done by everybody? Please check it. It's done on the screen. You can see whether what you have done is correct or not. And if you have done it correctly or not correctly,
The
write to me on the
digital
camera.
time for digital time for the second one is 1950.
Yes, 1915. The first one is done. Show it to me on the camera like this.
Ma'am, I'm done with all of them.
Very good. Show it to me on the camera. Let me see how you have done it.
Ma'am, Hamza, ma'am, just a sec.
Yeah. Yes, correct. Correct, beta, correct. Correct. Sayan, correct. Hamza, correct. Hamza, correct. Sad, are you done?
Ma'am, this is, ma'am, can I say the second one is 7:15, third one is 13:45,
Okay.
and the fourth one is 15, 16, 17,
What is the fourth one?
19. It's AM. It will be 7:5.
Very good. Very good. Show me your analog clock. Show me your analog clock on the screen. Hamdan, done, beta? Show it to me on the screen. Okay, nice. Aisha Kazi,
Yes, ma'am.
Sarah done.
I'm writing.
Hamza, please mute yourself, beta. Aisha Kazi, I cannot see. You have to bring it close to the camera. Okay. Yes. Correct. Correct, beta. Aisha Kazi, correct. Sarah, अभी तक कर रहे हो? When will you finish it? Wasting lot of time looking here and there. Do it quickly, beta. Saad, what about you? Are you done, Saad? Saad, am I audible to you?
No, yes, ma'am.
No, ma'am, he's saying. He's answering and saying no, ma'am.
And the exams are from
Yeah.
21st, right?
Show me your work, Saad.
Ma'am, I'm in the last one.
Yeah, just show me. How much ever you have done, show me. Okay. Okay. At least you're doing, no? I want to see that you're doing.
Yeah.
Okay. Now 7:15, when I say 7:15, then what am I supposed to do? It is between 7 and 8. 15, that means it has to be a little closer to 7. Okay. And 15 means I have to say the table of 5. 5 threes is 15. So my minutes will go on the third one. Am I right? Because we are doing digital time, I convert it into 24-hour clock. Okay. And 17 will become, 7 will become 19. And 19:15 will be my digital time. Now, if I do 1:45, that means my hour hand has to come between 1 and 2.
13:45.
Yes. And because it is 45, it needs to be closer to 2 than 1. And when I say 45, then it has to be 5 times table. 5 9s are 45. So it comes here. And in digital time, I will write 13 hours, 45 minutes, 13:45. Now, when I do 7 5, that means I have to have my hour hand in between 7 and 8. Because it is 7 5, it's closer to 7. So I'm going to draw a hand like this. Okay, and 5 means I need to say the table of 5. 5 ones are 5. So I have it here. And because it is AM, I'm going to write 0705. Everybody has done this part?
Wait, ma'am.
Can we go ahead? Saad, done beta, completed? Hamda, Sarah,
Yes.
Done.
completed beta? Aisha Aga, Umar Ansari. Very good, Sarah. I can see your work. Completed beta? No.
No.
Why? What is he saying? Yes, Umar? How many are still doing? Only Umar? Now we are moving towards the next topic that we have to cover today, and that is using calendars. Okay, you have to pay a little attention here because we will have to come up with the days and the months. Okay. Now, according to my textbook, I'm on page number 140. And the topic that we are doing is using calendars. So you can write topic as using calendars in your notebook. If you are doing in your textbook, then my textbook, it is 140. Okay. And here we have to follow the instructions that have been given
Ma'am, what is the topic of this?
using calendars.
Okay. But this
Okay, you can see
time only,
see
right?
the topic. Can you see the topic?
Chapter time.
80. Yes.
Is this time only, na, the chapter?
Yeah, this is time only, beta. We're doing the same chapter, another topic. Okay. Now we're going to learn to use the calendars according to the time that we have learned. Now, for which I want you all to very quickly tell me the name of the months and the days the months have. So this has to be written down very quickly.
Ma'am, I know.
That's fantastic. Chalo. Jan, how many days?
31.
31. Okay. Feb, how many days?
28.
Or 29. 28 or 29. When
Yeah.
is it 29? Leap year. And when
Ma'am,
does
in
the
a
leap
leap
year
year.
comes?
Yeah,
I'm every 4 years.
every 4 years.
Leap year every 4 years. Okay.
Ma'am, to write this down, right?
Yeah, you have to write this down. You can start writing from now. Don't wait for me to complete and then write. Okay. Write it down now. March. Who will tell me March how many days?
31. 31.
31. Okay. April
30.
30. May
31.
31. June
30.
30. July
31.
31. What about August?
31.
31. That's nice. September
30.
30. October.
Well, you know, that's the trick of it.
Yes.
This is like
Yes.
January,
Jan,
February,
Feb,
March,
March, April, May, June, July. And
And
then
then,
again
ma'am,
August. It's
yeah,
the
ma'am,
raised one.
it's so coincidence, right? Like both of them together. Method.
Yes. Then again August, September, October, November, December. The raised ones are 31 and the ones that are inside, the knuckles that are inside are 30. Please put this down quickly.
Ma'am, when is the coming leap year going to come on which year?
See, you know how you have to find out if it is divisible by 4, no? 4 times table, if it goes, then it's a leap year. Now, which is the year that is going on? 202. See, it is 2022. Am I right?
Yeah,
Is
it's not
it divisible by 4?
No.
No, because last that 22 will not go in 4. Okay. That means it's not going to be a leap year. 2023, is it going to be divisible by 4? No.
No.
2024, is it going to be divisible by 4?
Yes.
Yes,
After
so
2
then
years.
that is going to be the leap year. Okay. Done? Now, after you're done that, I want you to write from here. Okay, in case you are doing it in your notebook, then write from it. Start on 2nd Feb. And then I want you to
I
write
have to
this
write
down.
this.
Yeah. Start on 2nd Feb. And then I want you to write what is in the box. F means go forward. B means go back.
Ma'am, the next leap year will come on 2024. And the last was on 2020.
Yes, beta?
I'm saying the next leap year will come on 2024. And
Yes.
the last was on 2020.
Very good. Have you all written this part? Start on 2nd Feb 2022. Okay. And have you written this part? F means go forward and B means go back. All this is being written in your notebook? Yes. Can we go ahead? We are supposed to follow
Ma'am,
the...
I wrote the months and the days. Now what should I write?
Now, after you have done that, no, beta, you have to start here.
What?
I'll tell you where. After you have written the months and the number of days, you have to start here. Right? From here, start on 2nd Feb 2022. After you have written this statement, then you can write this. F means go forward, B means go back.
Yeah, then?
That's all. After you have done that, then I will ask you to write the instruction and then we will write the date. Are you all ready?
No, ma'am.
Okay.
I'm writing.
I want everybody to complete so that, everybody understands the concept. Once you've understood how to count days, it will be very easy for you to do these type of sums. And in your exam, you should be expecting these kind of sums to come. They will ask you to start from a particular date, okay, and then count so many days.
Not 2 February.
Now the date is 2nd Feb 2022. Now when I say 2022, why have I given you the year especially? To see whether it is a leap year or not a leap year. Okay. So what is it? Not a leap year. Am I right? How many days in Feb? 28.
Yes.
Out of 28, how many over?
2.
2 over, or are you starting from the second? So 1 over.
Yeah, 1 over.
1 over. So we write -1. So how many days? 27 of Feb. Correct?
Yeah.
Okay. Now how do we go about? How many days we need more of March? How do we get that? They are asking us to move forward 35 days. So 35 minus 27, what is it going to be? Eight. Tell me yes or no. 8 days. Are you
Ma'am,
understanding
I'm
what
not
I'm doing?
understanding.
Okay. So then say I'm not understanding. Everybody. Now see from where we have to start. Are you all paying attention? Put your cameras on.
Ma'am,
so that
if it is a leap year, it would be
29 days.
29 days.
Yes. Then you will subtract 29 from 35 or whatever, how many days ever remaining. Okay. Now everybody just concentrate on what I'm doing with you. We have to start from 2nd Feb and we have to move 35 days ahead. Okay. Now are you going to sit and count like this? 2nd Feb
No.
to 3rd Feb, 4th Feb, 5th Feb, 6th Feb, 7th Feb, 8th Feb, 9th Feb, 10th Feb, 11th Feb, 12th Feb. Are you going to do this?
No.
No, we can't be doing that. Am I right? Yes? Tell me yes or no.
Ma'am, 8th March
No,
on
ma'am.
Women's Day.
Yeah?
8th March on Women's Day.
Yes, exactly. Okay. So how are we going to calculate? The first thing that we will do, we will see how many days in Feb are over. If I have to start from the 2nd Feb, how many days in the Feb are over? 1 day is over. So how many days of Feb
Yeah.
are there? Because it's a non-leap year, 27 days are remaining. So I will say 27 days of Feb. Correct? 27 days of Feb. But how many days do I need in all? 35. So what will I do? 35 minus 27. How much will I get?
Is it?
8 I will get. So now these 8 days are going to be of which month? 8 days of March.
Yeah.
So what is the date that is going to come here?
8
8,
March.
8 March 2022. Am I right? Sarah, Aisha,
Ma'am, this
Kazmi.
calculation, where should we write? Should we
This you
write
can
with
do in the working column. The calculation you
Okay.
can do in the working column and directly you can give your answer in the table that will be asked in the examination. Sarah, have you understood, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, the answer is on Women's Day, 8th March.
Yes.
Already said that.
Oh, did not hear you. Sorry.
Ma'am, somebody is saying Arthurul here.
What?
Somebody is saying a series. Who is saying?
Nobody sing Atrol.
No, I can hear the music.
My grandfather.
Yeah.
My
I told her.
grandfather is sing Usman, not Artugal. You're very bad at this.
Both are the same music. Ma'am, now we have to do it on our own.
Pardon? No,
We have
now
to do
after
it.
that you have to go back 72 hours. Now back 72 hours from 8th March.
Okay.
How will you go back? 72
Ma'am,
hours
like
means how
on
many days?
8 March, what time is it on 8th March?
Pardon?
What time is it on 8th March?
Yes. What time it is? You may start it from the date itself. 00.
Ma'am, 20 hours, 72 hours equals to 3 days, right?
24 hours is
Oh,
one
yeah.
day. So how much is 72?
It's 3 days.
3 days. So from 8,
Yeah.
if you have to come 3 days back, then what will that be?
5 days.
5th of March.
5th March. Yeah.
So you will write 532022. And the reason that you will write
Ma'am, the answer is 5 March.
72 days is equal to 3 days. You will write this like that. That is why you are going back 3 days back.
Ma'am, 72 hours.
Sorry. Yes, 72 hours is 3 days. Now you have to go 48 days forward. 48.
48 hours.
So 48 is how many?
Ma'am, 2 days more. 5. Ma'am, 5 days. 5 days.
2 days you have to go ahead, forward.
Forward 2 days.
So then that will be how much? 7th of March.
7th March.
So it will be 7 March 22, because we will write here 48 hours is equal to 2 days. Okay. Then they say forward 15 days. 7 plus 15.
22, 3. It will be 22 days.
Yes, it will be 22, 3,
22nd March. 22.
Okay. Then you have to go 96 hours behind.
96 hours behind.
So 96 hours is how many days?
4 days. 4 days.
Very good.
4 days. So 22
4 days back.
minus
4 days back
Yes,
will be
ma'am.
what?
8.
And 4 days back
No,
will be.
Yeah, 18th March.
Yeah,
18.
18 March 3 to 2.
Yes. 4 days back will be 18, 3, 22. And we can say 96 hours is equal to 4 days. Now they say forward
30th
2
March.
days forward.
30th March.
At 22 days. Now how many days in March are remaining? Total days in March is how much? 31. 31 minus 18 are over. So then how many are remaining in March? Tell me.
We have to do 31 plus, right?
Can I say 13? (31) is the total days in March. 18 are over. How many remaining in March? Can I say 13?
But ma'am, like if we add 22 to 18, then it will be 30th March, right?
What are you saying?
If we add 22 to 18, then it will be 30th March.
How 22 plus 18 is 30? 22 plus 8 is 30.
Ma'am, it would be 4
When? 22 minus
Yes.
13 you have to do.
The
Find out
4th
days in
April.
April.
4th.
So how much is
April.
22 minus 13? Can I say 9? Yes.
Yeah.
9 days of April I have to count, correct? So what is the date going to be? 9th of April, am I right? Are you all understanding how to do?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, now you have to go 2 days back.
That will be 7th of
That will be 7th of April.
April. And then you have to go forward 30 days forward. That means April month, how many days? 31 days.
So, ma'am, it will be June.
6th of
May.
May. It will be 6th of May, no?
Ma'am, 24 hours behind, so it will be 8 April, right? Not 7.
Yeah, correct. Because it's not 2 days, it's 1 day, correct? Yes.
Ma'am, it's written. You have to go. Yeah, that's 2 days.
Okay. And then you have to forward
Yeah.
30 days. Now to forward 30 days.
Ma'am,
What
it's
is the-
already 8.
Pardon?
That will make it. Ma'am, that will make it above April.
Yeah,
It will
above
be
April.
May.
Now 8 days of April gone. How many left? 31 minus 8 we will have to do.
31 minus 8.
How much is 31 minus 8? 23.
Yes, ma'am. 23. Yes, ma'am.
So
23.
that means from 23 days I have to take off April out of 30. When I subtract 23, I get 7. So I have to take 7 days of May. Am I right?
Yeah, May or March?
May na?
Oh,
April
May.
के बाद April के बाद May.
Yeah,
correct?
May. Yes, ma'am. May.
So these are days of April and I have to take of May.
मरियम आपके सारे पैसे उड़ के जा रहे टॉय वाले.
And then if you have to go 8 days back, what is that going to be? Seven
29.
days of May and one last day of April. That is 8 days back.
30th of April.
Okay, so यहाँ पे we have to take 30 days of April, no? We have taken 22 days. 22.
And then we
8.
have to go back 8 days.
Yeah. This will be 8. April, how many days are there? 30
Ma'am,
days are there.
April is 30 days.
So
it
30
is,
minus 8 we have to do. So 22 will
Ma'am,
remain.
that will be 20. Yeah.
Yeah, so 30 में से you have to remove 22. So when you remove 22, it will be 8th of May. And then 8 days if you go back, then that will be what? 30th of April. So your answer is going to be 34, 22. Got it?
Answer final days 34, 20, 22.
Yes. They say now you have reached Adnan's birthday. When is his birthday? So we can say Adnan's birthday is on 30th of April.
38th of Ma'am, we in the class now we will celebrate 38th of April as Adnan's birthday.
Okay, we'll do that. You remember it, okay?
38th of April. Okay, ma'am.
30th. 38th कहाँ आता है?
30th of April.
Yes. Everybody has written it down.
Yes, ma'am. At least I have.
Omar done. Very good. Hafza done. Sayan. Hamdan. Zubaira. Sara. Saad, what about you?
I'm done.
Ma'am,
Done.
Very good.
ma'am,
Yes, tell me.
I have doubt.
हाँ बोलो ना बेटा.
Exam. The exam will be of 2 hours.
Yes.
The offline one.
Yes.
And this the online which we are studying, which that will be also offline.
Exam you will have offline only, no beta?
For both. For
For
the
both.
offline.
Yes,
and
yes,
the-
yes. Yes. Your exam, you're not going to have an online exam. You're going to have directly offline exam.
And no online session.
That day when it is your exam.
Will you
day,
come to Don
not have-
Bosco for the exam?
Pardon?
Ma'am, will you come for the exam in Don Bosco?
I don't know. Let's see. Okay. Y'all prepare your exam well.
Okay, ma'am.
Chalo, I'll end the class for today. And then we'll continue in the next class. Bye-bye.
Hi, ma'am.